panda, its character is preference of staying alone, gentleness, and giving help to others. Due to these characters, it looks a cute animal. When the danger comes close, panda is ready to fight according to its instinct. Also, it's a strategy used by China as the important tool for international contact by delivering the panda to neighboring countries to connote mildness and friendliness, or being the soft power in the pattern of giving the feeling of being innocent. Compared to the culture of apex company, comprising harmony, gentleness, generosity by giving help to others when facing obstacles are the big problem. That our apex people are ready to help each others and give encouragement to keep fighting and go through those problems and obstacles smoothly. For the problem of COVID disease in this time, we are confident that our culture and the basic characters of our apex people will be the important things to make our organization keep fighting and overcome the crisis in this time. After the launch of the company's FAI and FAQ at the beginning of August 2021, the company has conducted intensive and continuous ATK proactive testing of COVID cases by its own personnel trained to the standards and the principle of doing swab test. This has started to have employees enter the field hospital services or FAI of the company. Initially, the care of the infected employees still has some obstacle due to the ongoing improvement in accommodations, methods, and facilities to provide good care and assistance to the employees. As a result of the treatment of Apex FAI team, the company found only 2 employees with severe symptoms of shortness of breath had to be taken to the hospital, which is only less than 1%. For the rest 99% of the employees, the FAI management team and professional nursing team can take care of them to recover from illness until normal. The total healing and quarantine period is between 14 to 21 days. Then the employees can return to normal life and work. The implementation of FAI has a short-term plan of 3 months, whereby the Center of COVID-19 Situation Administration team brings together the past experiences and problems to analyze and plan to improve and develop care for the infected employees. This COVID-19 is expected to continue for another 1.5 to 2 years because we cannot deny that the virus will remain with us for a while until humans can control the pandemic and develop vaccines or drugs that can prevent or treat more effectively. Therefore, while we wait for the development of the most effective medical treatment, the Center of COVID-19 Situation Administration team has come up with a management care and treatment of the infected employees model under the name of Apex Sandbox Phase 1, with the goal of designing system and management technologies to support in taking care of the employees to be the most efficient in each aspect for the safety of caregiver, ease of care for infected employees, time saving, resource saving, reasonable management cost, and good environment in order to boost the morale and confidence for the company's employees. This project is scheduled to support employees' care for 1.5 to 2 years from now. The Apex Sandbox project Phase 1 supports 100 infected employees located in the area of Apex at the Sinsakon Industrial Estate, Samut Sakhon Province. Apex Sandbox will have main activities in monitoring, treatment, and control consisting of 9 main functions as follows. Function 1. Mindset of design divided the space into two parts. Section 1. The inner area, known as the donut, is a closed area, truly only for the patent. Section 2. The outer area is the area for all support staff. Apex Sandbox consists of three main parts with a total area of 4,144 square meters as follows. 1. Health and Security Center is an area for professional nurses, screening officers, necessary doctors, swab staffs, security guards, and registration and stay system. 2. Quarantine area consists of 50 rooms, 2 people per room. 3. Power plant and facility system is a system of utilities linked to the room located in the suitable position to be able to manage resource thoroughly and with maximum efficiency. Function 2. The room with amenities. Enable 2 people to stay in the room. There's an IT system for communication and monitoring of symptoms from the nursing team, internet and television signal, hygienic bathroom, air conditioning system, clean drinking water, used water system, Thai herbal steam system, and a cleaning system by spraying disinfectant after the patient leaves the accommodations. All systems are automatic, connected and operated from the external power plant and facility system. The system in all rooms does not require any people to operate in the internal area. Function 3. Goods delivery robot. In the quarantine area, there will be a robot serving food, medicine, and other staff. There will be 2 robots responsible for 25 rooms each, running in a semicircle, loading items from the staffs at the loading point outside. The first one's name is Panda Cool, taking care of room number 1 to 25. The second one's name is Panda Chang, taking care of room number 26 to 50. Both robots have a sensor system to run to the parking area of the sliding window of each room or Panda parking. Then the robot will send a signal to the patent. The patent opens the sliding window and can pick up the things by himself. Also, the robot will have a sensor to stop when someone or any obstacle approaches. Function 4. Routes for emergency vehicle to run inside. It is the only function to use emergency driver to enter the area where the infected person is. The car will park at the front door of the room in case of any emergency to bring the patient to the hospital immediately. Function 5. The service system can be connected from the back of all cabinets, uninfected area, or devices and system connections such as air conditioning system, disinfection system, drinking water system, electricity system, internet system, Thai herbal steam system, waste water system, and infectious waste management system will be connected from the back of the cabinets for repair and external care without caregivers having to go into the patent area. Behind the cabinet, there's a path so that the car can drive to collect the infectious waste. The patent can throw away the garbage by pushing the door compartment behind the cabinet without having someone to collect, and the car will go to collect garbage according to the scheduled time. Function 6. Gutter Flood Prevention System. The flood prevention system is designed with a drainage ring inside to prevent flooding from inside and the outer ring to prevent flooding from outside. Therefore, the area of the patents will be dried and not be flooded. Function 7. Solar Power System or Solar Cell. Apex Sandbox uses electricity generated from all solar cells. It is an on-grid system with no batteries required. The total area can be equipped with 300 solar panels. The maximum power generation capacity is up to 165 kilowatt. The excess capacity can continue to be used in the Sandbox Phase 2 and 3. Function 8. Optional function. Health and Security Center can additionally connect quarantine boxes in Phase 2 and 3 if the number of patents exceeds the capacity supported by the Sandbox Phase 1. Function 9. Green Park View. The Green Park View is the green area where the patents can look out of the window and can come out and experience the outside atmospheres to relax. The goal of Apex Sandbox is to provide the highest level of care for our employees because the employees are an important resource of the company. If the company takes best care of its employees in times of crisis like this, we believe that they will be able to return to be the key force of the company to continue running the business in order to generate profits and create income security for them.